To create an email campaign, we can click here, or we can go to the Campaigns tab. Now, I'll show you how to send a blank email campaign and how to send one from a template. Under Email Campaigns, go over here and click New, Blank. You can create your email in a few different ways. The design editor is probably my favorite. If you're comfortable, use the code editor, or you can use the plain text editor. We'll see the design editor in a second when we look at the template, so for the purposes of this tutorial, let's use the plain text editor to create a test. And this is no frills, as promised. Up here, we can change the campaign name. I'll say Podcast Sponsorship Test. Within the editor, we can preview. Obviously, this is very simple. And if we go back, we can send or schedule. Here we can attach files, we can send now, or we have other options. In the sender, I'll put my email address. If you're doing this for the first time and you have an unverified address, you'll need to verify it. To do so, click here. And then look for the verification code in your inbox and enter it. Then click Verify. You can add a sender name and a subject line. If we scroll down, we can enter preview text if we'd like. And then we have multiple options for choosing the recipients that we wish to send this email to. We could choose contacts here by clicking the Add button, and then we can search or just select. In our case, we might want to choose from tags. So I can select this and then add, and we had that sponsor potential tag. It will show you how many contacts have that tag, so you know how many people you're sending this to. And then down below, we have multiple options to track clicks, set up UTM tracking, to add tags, and to resend the email if unopened. When you're ready, you can preview in the browser, or you can send a test. For now, I'll close this and just hit Save. Then I'll come back to the email builder and back again. So this is our new blank campaign that we just created. In the three-dot menu, you'll see a few more options to preview, to move, clone, archive, or delete. Because I saved this as a draft, all we need to do is open it, and you're ready to send or schedule. Next, let's look at how to create one from a template. So click the New button, then Email Marketing Templates. On the left in the template library, we can search, and I'll choose this one for advertising. GoHighLevel will set up your template, and here we are in the editor. As you can see, we have many more options to drag and drop things here. This isn't a tutorial on how to edit this campaign template, but we have many more options to edit this than when we were just working with the plain text. I'll rename this Podcast Sponsorship Test 2 and save. Then I'll go back and back again. If you want to see the templates that you've created, go to this Templates tab and they'll show up down here. This was the advertising template we just looked at, and this one was created automatically when we sent that invoice.